Well, now to the case of a longtime Oakland police investigator who now finds himself on the other side of the law. He's facing charges of perjury, threatening a witness, and bribery of a witness. He has until tomorrow to surrender to authorities. KTVU's Allie Rasmus is in the newsroom now. And Allie, the officer's actions led to the release of 2 men who were convicted of murder.
Yeah, the Alameda County District Attorney's Office formally charged Officer Fong Tran with perjury, threatening a witness, and bribery.
Officer Fong Tran, pictured here in this 2013 photo from the Oakland Police Department's Facebook page, has been an investigator with the department for more than a decade. The Alameda County District Attorney's Office formally charged him with perjury, threatening a witness, and bribing a witness. It all goes back to a murder investigation in Oakland more than a decade ago. Charles Butler Jr. was shot and killed near his North Oakland home in 2011. It was unsolved for 2 years, and then a woman came forward to say she saw 2 men commit the crime. This is an interview Investigator Tran did with KTVU about that break in the case back in 2013.
One of the community members or witnesses actually came forward and gave us the key piece that we needed to close this case.
But according to the Alameda County District Attorney's Office, that witness was lying. She later recanted her story and said she never saw the murder happen, but that she'd felt pressured by Tran to lie about it on the stand. Tran is also accused of lying in court himself. During the murder trial, he testified he didn't know the witness before the investigation. The woman said that wasn't true. She'd been working with him as a neighborhood informant for years. Last year, the 2 men who were convicted of Butler's killing, who were serving life sentences in prison, walked free because a judge determined their convictions were based on lies.
I can't understand how my mom feels. I never know, the pain that she is experiencing. And to know that they're just walking free and just living their life, it makes me angry because they shouldn't be able to do that.
Charles Butler's sister told me she and her mom were brought to the Alameda County District Attorney's Office last year and told that the 2 men convicted of killing Charles were going to be released from prison. She says there is blame to go around.
The Oakland Police Department, the Alameda County District Attorney's Office, and I'm just thankful for the little bit of justice that was served. I'm just hurting now because for my mom, she has to relive this all over again.
An attorney representing Tran said in a statement, quote, he is being prosecuted for having the audacity to investigate, arrest, and bring to justice the killers who terrorize Oakland. These charges are baseless and should gravely concern every Alameda County resident that desires a truly equitable criminal justice system.
And just within the past hour, the Alameda County District Attorney's Office says that because of the charges against Tran, it will now review another 125 other criminal cases he was involved in. Legal experts say it is possible some of those cases could be dismissed and other convictions overturned. Andre, back to you.
All right, Allie, thank you.